Hi, welcome to Parametric House. If you have watched the previous tutorials, we have talked about how we can make a grid of points by just defining a series of points in Rhino or just giving them length. So you can download that from our website for free too. But for this lesson, what I have done here is to make an architectural grid, convert those points into a hatch for a rectangular hatch, which we have to make those planes, give that a dimension, put those circles, and also some dashed pattern on the lines. So this example file is going to help you to understand how you can make that in Grasshopper from scratch. We're going to talk about the algorithm and how it works. As you can see here, you can change the length and the width of the hatches. You can change the hatch pattern, which I'm going to explain. We can also change the size of the dimensions, also the digits that you want to show here. Offset the dimensions. We're going to talk about the circles, how much you want to make them bigger or smaller. Just switch between the grid. As you can see here, I can make this ABCD on this direction and 0 to 4 on the second direction, or we can flip that. There are lots of switches in this example file you can use, and also there is some extension. We can just give that to these circles and make the final results. Okay, let's take a look at the algorithm and how it works.